Hi, my name is Soni. When I was 7 years old in 2020, I broke my left arm right here. I'm a lefty, so it was hard to write. I broke my arm because I was going really fast on my scooter and fell. And my mom took me to emergency care the day after. They told me to go to Scottish Rite. And then they gave me a cast. It was on for 6 weeks. In those 6 weeks, it was my birthday, and I celebrated it with my cast on. After the cast was removed, I started to learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Let me show you.